student, this is the question GATE 2013 1 mark. There are three processes X, Y and Z execute the different section of code using the shared variable. The process X performing the down operation on semaphore A, B, C, and process Y execute the down operation on B, C and D. Process Z execute the down operation on C, D, A before entering their respective code segment. After completing of its code, each process invoke the signal operation. After using the common code, each process invoke their signal operation on its three semaphore. All semaphore are binary semaphore initialized to 1. Which one of the following represented deadlock free order invoking the P operation of the process? Getting my point? So here you can see X, Y, Z, PA, PB, PC, PB, PC, PD, PC, PD, PA. Whenever you are performing down, you execute sequential, then you can see 1 to 0, 1 to 0 and 1 to 0. X is enter into the CS, means there is a no deadlock. But whenever you perform in concurrent way, what will happen? 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Now the value of A, B and C becomes 0. Now when you perform the down on 0, then you are getting blocked. C is also 0 to block. D is right now 1, 1 to 0. Two processes are stuck there. That will not go execute line number 3. D is 1 to 0, but here A is already 0. So whenever you perform the down on 0, then you are getting 0 to block, that is deadlock. So option A is the wrong option. Similarly, you can see option C, PB, PA, PC, C, B, D, A, C, D. 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Now value of A, B, C semaphore is 0, 0 to block, 0 to block, 0 to block. All processes are stuck there and it will not execute the line number 3rd of its respective. So here all processes are blocked, so there is a deadlock. Now we will take the option D. A is not true, C is not true, then we take the option D, PA, B, C, PB, C, D, C, D, A, X, Y and Z. 1 to 0, B is also 1 to 0, C is also 1 to 0, that is 0 to block, 0 to block. Process X and Y block and line number respective line number 2nd. D is 1 to 0, right now D is 1, that's why 1 to 0, but A is 0, then it is 0 to block. So all processes are blocked, that is there is a deadlock. C is also or D is also not a right answer. Now we will check the option B. PB, PA, PC, PB, PC, PD, PA, PC, PD. What will happen when you perform 1 to 0? Then this process is blocked here. This process is blocked here. It will not go further. Now there are two free processes which can execute either A or C. Then you perform 1 to 0. Then what will happen? This is 0 to block because A become 0. So this is block here. Now process Z is free right now, and the value of C is 1, 1 to 0, and D is also 1 to 0. So there is process Z enter. Similar way, if you execute, this one is block 1 to 0, then it is 0 to block. It is block here, and C is become right now 1. C is right now 1, so C is 1 to 0, then X can enter. Means you can execute in any arbitrary order, but you can think कि all process execute in concurrent way, and you have to check all the possibilities. Clear? Here you can see the solution. To check a deadlock in the given code, proceed parallelly. First execute the first line of all the process, like this one and this one, then execute the second line of all process, so on. So A become 0, B become 0, C become 0, B 0 for 0 to block, C 0 to block, this is 1 to 0, but this 0 to block. A, B, C are 1, first execute the first line, X1, Y1 and Z1. After executing, then this is block. Getting my point? Similarly, option B, here you can see, whenever we are talking about the option B, that become 1 to 0, then it is 0 to block. This process is block, A is rename, ये 1 to 0, now C is block, 0 to block. This block here, this is continue, C is 1 to 0. Similarly, it is given here, execute X1, then B get 0, yes, 1 to 0. The value of B is 0, then we execute Y1. Y1 means first line of Y. So this becomes 0 to blocked. Now execute Z1 and the value of A become 0. Now we try to execute the second line of unblock process like X2. Then it becomes 0 to block because A is 0, and we try to execute X2, that blocked. Now we execute Z2, 1 to 0, because C is 1 right now, so it execute, then execute Z3, 1 to 0. So in the option B there is a no deadlock, but in option A, C and D are deadlock. Here X1, Y1, Z1 means first line of X1, first line of Y1, first line of Z1. Getting my point? Here it is mentioned X1, Y1, Z1 means first line of X1, Y1 and Z1. So in this question, option B is the right answer, which not create a deadlock. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.